Today, much of the evidence to support the theory of plate tectonics is gathered by satellite technology. Scientists are able to measure the movement and the speed of the plates along the surface of the Earth. While Alfred Wegener was wrong on one major point, which he didn't know how the plates move. He never got to figure that out before he died. His original theory was sound, and the evidence he used is still researched today. But he was wrong because he believed the continents simply pushed through the ocean floor. That's not true. We know today that both the continents and the ocean floor are solid plates that float on the semi-solid asthenosphere in the mantle. This is why Wegener's term continental drift is not quite correct, because both the continental and the ocean crust move. Let's go ahead and take a look at the video and see how they move because of convection currents.
It happens because hot rock rises, heated by the Earth's core. Near the surface, the rock spreads in two directions and goes sideways. It begins to lose heat. Eventually, the much cooler rock sinks back down. Through this spreading process, the Earth's crust is very slowly dragged apart.
Okay, so you see how the convection currents here in the mantle, you got the heat rising up and then it falls back down. Same thing on the other side, rises up, falls back down, causing the plates to move. Alfred Wegener never got to see this before he died. He never really, he spent his whole life researching this and never got to figure this out until after his death. But this is why the plates move, because of these convection currents going up and down, up and down.
And it's this that ultimately causes the continents to move.
So Wegener's theory is different. So continental drift is different from plate tectonics. Remember, Wegener's theory was the plates. He found all the evidence why they move, but he didn't know how. And remember that the continents move as well as the oceanic crust. So continents move, the ocean crust moves. And this is the big difference between continental drift and plate tectonic theory.